Let's unpack a paper titled Generative Ghosts Anticipating Benefits and Risks of AI Afterlives. What's the core idea here?
Oh, wow. This is a relevant paper, really gets you thinking. It's about this totally new concept called generative ghosts. Imagine an AI, like a super smart chatbot, but it's designed to represent someone who has passed away. It's not just repeating old recordings or stuff, it's actually generating new content, new conversations, all based on the person's data. It's like a digital afterlife, man.
That's pretty wild. This sounds like science fiction. Is this even possible with current technology?
It's closer than you might think. This paper, published on May 8, 2024, talks about how the recent advancements in AI, especially in language models like GPT-4 and those awesome image and video generators, have made this stuff way more feasible. Remember seeing those deepfakes? This is like that, but way more interactive and personalized.
Okay, I'm starting to see the potential here. But why would someone want to create a generative ghost? What's the benefit?
There are a bunch of reasons. For the person themselves, it's a way to leave a legacy, a digital version of themselves that can interact with their family and friends even after they're gone. It can share stories, offer advice, or even just be there for a chat. It's like having a part of them live on, you know?
That's actually kind of beautiful. But what about for the people left behind? How would interacting with a generative ghost affect them?
That's where things get a little tricky. The paper discusses the potential of generative ghosts to offer emotional support and comfort to those who are grieving, but it could also have some negative impacts on mental health.
Like what?
Well, there's the risk of people becoming overly attached to the ghost, not moving on with their lives, or the opposite, where the ghost becomes a constant reminder of their loss, making it harder to heal. There's also the potential for the AI to generate inaccurate information, which could be really damaging to the person's memory and the well being of their loved ones.
That makes sense. It's like any technology, there are always potential downsides.
Totally. The paper also talks about some other risks like post-mortem identity theft. Imagine someone stealing a generative ghost to access the deceased person's data or using it to scam their family. That's some scary stuff.
Definitely. And I can see how this could have wider social implications too, right?
Absolutely. This technology could change how we think about death and the afterlife. It could affect religious beliefs, cultural practices, even the economy. The possibilities are huge, and we're just starting to scratch the surface of what this could mean for society.
It's a lot to take in. So, where do we go from here?
The authors of this paper are calling for more research in this area. They want to see user studies, experiments, really dig into how people would react to and use generative ghosts. They also stress the need for careful design and policymaking to ensure that this technology is used in a way that benefits both individuals and society as a whole. It's a big challenge, but it's an important conversation to have.
This closes our discussion of generative ghosts, anticipating benefits and risks of AI afterlives. Thank you.